We need to block our ears.
Oh yeah, you don't want to block your ears. Push that thing forward with your thumb. There you go, and then pull it through.
They're all out there saying, what the hell does that mean?
They're coming closer.
But where's the wick that they have to light it?
I would recommend covering your ears. Hands over your ears, people.
Hands over your ears.
That's a real good move. 1, 2, it's going to go.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to hit the boat! They've come back!
I hate that.
Right here,
Watch out.
I'll go and check it. I'll go and check it. Very good.
Wait, listen. Wait.
Listen!
Yeah.
Listen! No! Shh. Listen! Just keep listening. Wait. It's not done. Shh. Shh. Listen.
Spectacular.